Teaching a course like anatomy, where it's very hands-on, especially with being so heavily dissection-based, it's been quite a challenge to try and figure out how is it that I can give my remote students as enriching of an opportunity as those of my kids that are on campus. And so some ideas that Barb Sopiars and I have come up with is that we have some recorded videos of ourselves with dissections we've done, comparing that of our models, our human models, with that of our specimen dissections. And so ed puzzles like that, and then a drag-a-box, we called it, where you would bring labels to arrows on pictures of the same dissections to try and give the kids the same sort of practice as our students who were on campus would be experiencing the hands-on component. Now that we have a higher percentage of kids back on campus, we've been able to bring in the dissection component again, which is very exciting for both me and the students, because it's the hands-on component that most of the kids look forward to in taking a class like anatomy to begin with. So in having them back in collaborative groups while looking at the safety precautions of our distancing, but also making sure that I can keep the students safe with the dissection procedures that we've got in place, has been a breath of fresh air.